Alright, so here we are. I'm going to go ahead and take the wheel off. Okay, and like I do on pretty much every brake job that I can, I just take me a screwdriver or a small pry bar, stick it in between the rotor and the caliper, and gently pry. That way you don't have to worry about doing that after you get the caliper off. Make sure you pay attention to where the wear indicator's at. This one's broke, but and if you've got new hardware, you may as well put that on. Make sure the rotor's in good shape. And whenever you get your pads out of the box, hold on a second. Make sure your pads match up. So the wear indicator on the old one, wear indicator on the new one. And then both these are usually the same. You'll usually get two of these are the same, and then you'll have these two. One will be opposite than the other. The other side will have the wear indicator here. So make sure you get the right one on. Camera's in my way and I can't really see what I'm doing here. There we go. Now sometimes the piston will kind of sneak out on you while it's just sitting here. What I like to do, try not to drop the caliper too much, is I just take a big pair of channel locks, push the piston right back in. You got to be careful on composite pistons because you can scuff up the piston. And that's it. So this side's done. Don't forget to pump the brakes before you put it in reverse or drive. The piston is pushed all the way in there, so the brake pedal will go to the floor when you first push it down, and you'll get a surprise if you're not ready for that. So anyway, that's how easy it is. Now if your pedal is not pulsating, your rotors are probably just fine. If you just noticed that they were worn, you needed to replace the pads, you can put I've been putting pads on cars for years. I have never had a problem because a rotor was not turned or replaced with a fresh finish. Even if you turned the rotor, replaced it, the pad is going to polish that rotor out in a couple hundred miles, 1,000 miles, whatever it'd take. So I've never noticed a difference whether I replace the rotor or not, as far as how much stopping power it had. So a brake shop is going to tell you to replace the rotor, have it turned. I have never noticed a difference either way. So anyway, I'm going to put the tires back on this thing and call it a done deal. That's about all I had. Quick and easy brake job on a 2013 Camaro. This is the RS, which is the V6 model Camaro. The SS, I do believe, has different brakes. They're going to be a more heavy-duty brake, but it's going to be a heavier duty brake. But it's going to be a similar procedure. So just keep that in mind. If you have an SS, you're probably not going to have this same setup. Anyway, that's about all I got. You guys take care.